Hi neighbor. With the heat of summer, it means we're going to need to start watering our grass just a little bit more to keep it healthy. Sprinkler heads can get damaged in many ways. Lawnmowers, dirt, sand, grass clippings, freezing weather, and much more. Well, lucky for us, replacing a sprinkler head is very easy. Let me show you how. First, you're going to need a shovel, a hand trowel, and your replacement sprinkler head. This is really important. Figure out which sprinkler head you need exactly to make sure it fits and performs correctly. They come in different patterns and flows and that sort of thing, so you want to be sure and match it up if you can. The manufacturer and model number should be on the top of the sprinkler head. Now, grab your shovel and start digging. You're going to want to cut into the top layer of ground about 1 foot around your sprinkler head, but be careful, don't cut too deep. You could cut through another water line. You don't want to do that. Now once you've made that circle all the way around the head, carefully remove the sod layer. Now grab your hand trowel, carefully scoop out the dirt that's surrounding the sprinkler head. Now step 3, using a counterclockwise turn, unscrew that sprinkler head carefully. Now you don't want any dirt to drop into that connection, but don't worry if it does. If you accidentally get some dirt in that connection, all you have to do is turn the sprinkler water on a little bit and flush it out by letting that water run through there until it's clear. Step 4, screw the new sprinkler head onto the threaded end of the sprinkler line and replace the dirt and sod we dug up earlier. Step 5, lift the cap and hold the stem carefully and thread the nozzle onto the stem and screw it in place. Bingo, you are all done. Now you can rest assured that your lawn will stay nice and green for those summer barbecues. And thank you very much for joining me today.